How to write a blog post with AI. Writing compelling blog posts these days is crucial for engaging audiences, driving traffic, and establishing authority in your niche. With the advancements in AI, incorporating AI tools into the blog writing process has become increasingly popular. This video will walk you through the process of writing a blog post with AI, exploring how AI can assist in generating ideas, improving writing quality, and optimizing content for search engines. What is AI and how does it work? AI writing tools use artificial intelligence to analyze data and replicate human writing, generating text that resembles natural language. By inputting prompts or keywords, users can receive AI-generated suggestions and outlines, enhancing their writing process. It's important to remember that while AI tools automate certain aspects, human creativity and critical thinking remain essential in refining and personalizing the content. What is AnyWord AI Copywriter Tool? AnyWord AI Copywriter Tool is an advanced platform utilizing AI-powered algorithms and natural language processing to generate persuasive copy. It offers a wide range of features for various copywriting needs, including headline generation, product descriptions, social media posts, and A/B testing to optimize marketing goals and performance metrics. How does an AI system create blog posts? AI systems use natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning algorithms to generate blog posts. By training on vast amounts of data, they analyze context, understand intent, and produce coherent content based on given prompts or topics, while considering factors like grammar, readability, and flow. Use AnyWord to create a blog post. It's quite easy to use AnyWord. Generate engaging and SEO-friendly blog posts effortlessly using AnyWord AI. Simply create an account, choose the blog option, add project details, select generated titles and introductions. Incorporate AI-generated content suggestions. Proofread and optimize for a high-quality blog post that engages readers and ranks well in search results. Advantages of utilizing AI to create a blog post. Leveraging artificial intelligence (AI) in blog post creation offers several advantages, including time and effort savings, enhanced creativity, consistency in brand voice, improved SEO optimization, language polishing, data-driven insights, and multilingual support. With AI, writers can streamline their content creation process, boost engagement, and achieve greater efficiency in producing high-quality blog posts.